Hi friends, how about some ceremonial cacao? Now, I have made cacao for myself before, and I have made cacao in a group that was for ceremony, but I have never yet taken the time to create a batch of sacred ceremonial cacao for a very specific event. And this happens to be a breathwork birthday event for a very good friend of mine. I'm going to take the time this evening and put it together, and I'm going to melt down the cacao and add some special little additions. Not much though, because I really want to taste the true bitterness of the cacao, and we'll put just a little bit of sweetness in there, and also some roses, so we help to open our hearts for this birthday celebration, honoring what are you birthing today. Here's a beautiful array of cacao and oat milk. I have a candle burning to bring in the sacred. All of these are listed in the link below, along with a recipe, and you can add your own special ingredients. Thank you, cacao, for opening our hearts here and now. Doesn't this look yummy? I actually used a blender inside the pot to make it frothy. Happy to say it was a very successful recipe and so delicious. I'm excited to share.